At InKorr, we're excited to announce we now offer non-invasive heat exchanger reports in the form of thermal imaging inspections. With this technology, we can capture and record the efficiency of your heat exchanger. With repeat inspections, we can monitor the performance and detect issues before they become a problem. As we can see here, the cooling process does not happen until about halfway down the unit. We've found blockages in the back of the plates, cleaned and removed. After a clean, you can see the cooling process is happening a lot higher up in the unit. After our visit, you will receive an in-depth thermal report going over all our findings and any recommendations we may have.
Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful. And for more information or to schedule an inspection, please contact us via our website www.inkorr.com.au or give us a call at 03 9800 4118.